Hi, my name's David Megay. Welcome to O'Donnell, Weiss and Megay, your life, your business, your law firm. We're located at 41 High Street in Pottstown, where we've been since 1955. We're also located at 347 Bridge Street, in Phoenixville, excuse me, where we've been for about 14, 15 years now, believe it or not. I'm one of the attorneys at the office and have been with the firm for 30 or so years now. We're going to talk for a couple minutes here about the real estate services that we as a law firm can provide you folks out there when you buy real estate. And I'm talking folks about first-time home buyers and people who are savvy, veteran real estate investors. I'm talking about a small half a double on the north side of Phoenixville up to a large commercial property in Quakertown. And I'm talking about prices from a $25,000 unimproved or vacant lot to build upon up to a $5, $10, $25, $60 million real estate purchase. We handle all those, that wide spectrum of real estate purchases. Also, folks, we'll provide legal services when it comes to refinancing your existing mortgages. Interest rates have been really low for a while, and they're actually just going lower. We're taping this show in the spring of 2020, and we can help you with your refinancing, whether you're refinancing your primary residence or, again, large commercial mortgages. Not only do we or can we provide legal services, but the point of this little vignette here, this little video, is to remind our viewers, our existing clients, new clients, and referral sources that we are also agents for Fidelity National Title Insurance Company. There are, out of the 13 or 14 attorneys we have, I believe we have 5 or 6 of us are licensed title insurance agents. What does that mean? Well, think of your friend who is an agent for State Farm, and that's where you get your car insurance from. We're an agent for Fidelity National Title Insurance Company, or at least some of our attorneys are. I am. And Fidelity National Title Insurance Company is the largest, I believe, title insurance. If it's not the largest, it's the top 2 title insurance company in the country. And when you go to buy a home or a large commercial property or refinance your mortgage for your home or your investment property, commercial property, your lender, your mortgage company, is going to require title insurance. When you buy a property and you finance that purchase, or of course when you refinance, there's a mortgage company involved, the lender will require that you buy title insurance. If you buy a property and pay cash, I mean not literally cash, but write a check, you don't have to buy title insurance, but I highly recommend that you do. What title insurance does, is it provides you, the buyer, with insurance that when you buy the property, you're the one and only owner of the property, number one. It extinguishes or provides you with insurance that all prior owners have been extinguished. So it extinguishes all prior owners, or it provides you with insurance that there are no other owners of the property. Second thing that it does is it provides you with insurance that there is either, if you're paying cash, no liens against the property, no mortgages, no judgments, no any other encumbrance against the property. It also provides the lender with insurance that your lender is in first position on the property. So if I'm buying a $100,000 house, I want insurance that I'm the one and only owner of the property. If I'm borrowing $90,000 to purchase that $100,000 house, and I'm borrowing it from ABC Bank, before they loan the money, the $90,000, wants title insurance that their loan, their mortgage, is registered in first position against the property. In other words, there are no other liens or mortgages or judgments against or in front of that mortgage. Now, when you buy title insurance, if you're in the process of buying it now from another office than ours or another title company, make sure that your title agent provides you with the title commitment. And I've been doing this for almost 34 years now, and I think I can count on one hand the number of times that a buyer has asked me to review the title report with them. I always send them the title report. You should ask your title insurance agent, and hopefully that's me or us, send me the title report and give me 10 minutes on the phone to review what that title report means and what it says. You're not doing your job as an educated consumer if you don't demand that information from your title insurance agent, and I hope that's us. Second of all, when you look at that title report, it'll show all the filings, all the recordings against the property. In other words, all the mortgages, judgments, liens against the property. You want to ask your title insurance agent, how are you, and hopefully that's us, how are you, Dave, going to remove these judgments, remove these mortgages, so that when I go to closing, that all those judgments have been satisfied. And what you'll see on there, folks, you'll see credit card judgments against your seller or maybe against a previous seller. You'll see IRS liens, Department of Revenue liens. You'll see mortgages, home equity loan, lines of credit that have been recorded against the property. You'll see child support liens against the property. You'll see pending divorce actions against the property. I think I mentioned credit card judgments. You want to ask your title insurance agent, hey, my seller has all these judgments against him or her or it. How are you removing those things? Second of all, what you'll see on that title report are, chances are you'll see what we call easements. Easements against the property. Easements are if my neighbor and I own properties that are next to each other and my neighbor has a driveway from the street across my front yard into his property, there should be an easement recorded against my property and in favor of my neighbor's property, which stays with the property forever. We see those easements in our title reports. Now, oftentimes the easements are what we call utility easements. PECO has a telephone pole in front of the property. That telephone pole will always be there, and there'll be an easement. You want to see that PECO easement, but you don't care too much about it. The Township Sewer Authority may have an easement across the front of your property for the sewer line. You want to see that easement. But oftentimes in your title report, there will be nondescript recordings, usually easements. It'll say deed book 123, page 567, or miscellaneous book 456, page 789. Demand to see those recordings. Demand that your title agent review those recordings with you, because you're buying a property with all those things recorded against it. You need to know what it says. Contact O'Donnell, Weiss & Megay Law Firm for your title insurance needs and your real estate service needs, real estate needs, and we will review all that stuff with you. So you're watching Legal Talk, brought to you by O'Donnell, Weiss & Megay Law Offices, your life, your business, your law firm.